it, and then out of the wing, make team and wire. I got a wire team, and then we made water. They made water out of the wings. Then a water airplane, and then a white airplane, a team one. And these doing is a kite airplane. It has black and gray, and then the kind of gray. And then one is wire. It has a picture and wire, and then get all messy. There's one Joe here, and with a beach, and water and with a beach, and then a water airplane, and tickle and wire and water.
Hey, Ethan.
And only water.
Ethan.
Yeah?
Can you come tell the camera what those are? Come really close.
There are airplanes.
That's right. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. I want to do another airplane.
Okay, one more airplane.
No, all these.
No, we gotta stop the video.
And it's a wire one, and then the water one, then the water one, then the water one, and then the white brown one, and then the white one, and the brown one have wire, then go wire, then go wire, then go water, then go wire, then go wire, then go water, then go wire.
Cool.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.